The Russian car market is the most important one for Europe in the future. For German car makers, their presence at the 2008 International Motor Show in Moscow is a point of honor. A world premiere at Audi. The facelift of the A6, unveiled for the first time in Moscow, once again is a lot more like the rest of the Audi family, especially in terms of its looks. The new taillights make the A6 look much slimmer than before. Following the RS6 station wagon, Audi now presents the most powerful model in the A6 series as a sedan. The bi-turbo V10 with its mighty 580 horsepower sends the RS6 soaring from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. With a weight-to-power ratio of only 3.4 kilograms per horsepower, the RS6 takes on the driving characteristics of a super sports car. Also on display in Moscow, the other Audi models already familiar from other shows, the R8, the TTs, and the Q7. Audi hopes the Q5 will make it easier for them to enter the fiercely competitive compact SUV segment, up till now dominated by the VW Tiguan. At launch, the Q5 will be offered with a choice of 4 engines. Also in Moscow with an impressive showing, VW. Besides the Tiguan, likewise in the Moscow lineup, its bigger brother, the Touareg, is one of the most important models for Russia. This study, the Touareg North Sales, is another car bedazzling the visitors at the VW stand. It's what you might call a joint venture between VW and the sailing apparel company North Sails, and is quite impressive with its nice interior of light colors, most probably targeting mainly female buyers. Also at the show, the Passat CC and the Scirocco Airline, 2 more cars to whet Russian appetites for German cars. The concept car Kazamai from Mazda gives us a hint of a possible future crossover vehicle. Another world premiere celebrated in Moscow is the Lexus LS 360 with permanent variable all-wheel drive, available in Germany starting in December. The Mercedes ML63 AMG, as you would expect, is another crowd stopper at the show. The GLK Edition 1 was also on display in Moscow. The Maybach 62S is one of the most exclusive luxury cars around, and of course, it could not be missing in Moscow. Another high-class sedan for public viewing, the new Škoda Superb. Another new model at the Moscow show, this time from Spain, the new Seat Ibiza, equipped with a new technical basis. It should be interesting to see just which car maker will gobble up the most shares in the Russian market over the next few years.